It's gone.
Well,
it's there.
Kind of there. Not really, though.
Not much.
Nightmare. The nightmare. Can you imagine being this guy's children?
Hey, no.
This is John Bierce. What's left of John Bierce?
Older than that, you've got kids in that age range. They would be mortified. My kids already talked to me about what the other kids at school say about me and what I say on my show and what people are saying.
This is what's left of
And
Long
that's just
Gondola.
from doing legitimate things.
That's what's left of some of the golf course. Can't really see it. The sun's in the way. They're boarding up John Bierce. Poles are laying on the ground. It didn't get damaged. It did or did, whatever.
Yeah, that.
Got us all down to one lane.
Shit, 'cause they gotta get in and out easy over here.
Jesus. Windows in this van got blown out. Jesus, people's cars are over here.
Yeah, oh my god.
This is what remains of the golf course. Nothing left.
All the fences going.
It's gonna take forever to get this up and running.
It's part of the mini golf course, the mini thing. Right there.
I know.
Yeah.
The golf.
Well, he's still there, the dentist.
Yeah, that was the yeah, that's the State Farm that I was talking about.
Oh, that's there.
State Farm. Got damaged. This is what's left of the Advanced Auto. It doesn't exist anymore.
But the Tractor Supply does.
Tractor Supply does.
Is or whatever.
That's their sign.
Basketball hoop's still standing.